Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to click photo on portrait mode or how to know about the portrait mode. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you have to do is that you have to move on camera. Then from here you can move on to the portrait option. Here is the portrait. So and here you just try to capture some pic. And here I finished to capture some pic. Actually what happens when you click on portrait camera now, the object will be clear and the background will be blurred. Okay, you just try to click photo right now, front the camera and capture by yourself, and you will be the object and it will be clear, but behind you or backside you it will be blurred. Okay, you will be able to notice that. So if you can't find it, you can comment me. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.